Scientific notation using a calculator. In this worksheet, all you have to do is do all of this math just using a calculator. So you're just going to plug the things in to a calculator. What we have in the classroom is the TI-30. And so what you'll want to do with this is plug it in exactly as it shows in the problem. So for example, number 1 for addition shows 3.04 times 10 to the 23rd, and the way you'll plug this in is 3.04 times 10, and then this button right here is to the power of 23. So this is 3.04 times 10 to the 23rd power, and then we will do plus, just like we have here, and parentheses, open parentheses, 4.99 times 10 to the 23rd power. Now you're going to close out the parentheses just like it is here and hit the equal sign. If your answer does not come up in scientific notation, notice this says 8.030 times 10 to the 23rd. Notice the little times 10 down there is saying it's times 10 to the 23rd power. So when I write this, it says to round to 2 decimal points, 2 decimal places. And so we'll do 8.03, that's 2 places after the decimal, times 10 to the 23rd power. If your answers don't come out in scientific notation, it's because it's not in scientific notation format. Right here, this one says SCI. If yours doesn't say that, press second and this DRG, which has the SCI right above it, and select SCI. So if your underline is here at floating decimal, move it over under SCI and press enter, and your answer will come out in scientific notation. If ever you're doing a problem and you don't want your answer in scientific notation but it's SCI, just do the same thing, second, and then move that over to a floating decimal again and hit enter, and then your answer will end up coming out of scientific notation. Okay, so do the rest of these the same way. When you get down to the bottom, it does say use parentheses here. Make sure for all these, even though there's not parentheses in these problems, that you do put parentheses in the calculator, or else it will do it in the wrong order and you'll get the wrong answer. If you have any questions, come ask.